Hi, I'm Camelia Terrell, the owner of Envision Salon Spa and Hair and Nails, located in Lithia Springs, Georgia. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and today I will share with you how to shape eyebrows using edgers. I want to start off first by brushing the eyebrows up. I will create my arch by placing my eyebrow brush at a 45-degree angle from the bridge of the nose. This will share with me how and where to create the arch, which will be right here in the center of this eyebrow. I'm going to apply a little eyebrow solution that will allow me to remove the excess hair. I'm brushing up. These are my famous trimmers. Starting at the inner corner of the eyebrow, working my way to the outer corner of the brow bone on the very top, just removing any excess hair, coming to the inner corner of that eye, lightly removing any excess hair. Then I will come to the outer corner of the brow bone, the upper brow bone, lightly removing hair from the inner corner, working my way towards the outer corner of the eyebrow. Then I'll brush the hair down and we remove any excess hair. And there you have it. I'm Camelia Terrell, the owner of Envision Salon Spa, and I just share with you how to shape eyebrows using trimmers.